Laser danger. Marine Corps Air Station Yuma says pointing lasers at aircraft is dangerous because it can affect their eyesight and is against the law. I spoke with the Yuma Police Department about the consequences you can face. One little beam may not seem like it's doing much to you, but to pilots in the sky flying an aircraft like this, it's no game. It happens about 6 or 7 times a year just on the Yuma Air Base, according to a local flight physiologist. This mostly happens when the aircraft is lowered to the ground.
So these are times where the pilot really needs to be paying attention. You're either taking off or landing, and that's really the worst time for anything to happen.
The laser can jeopardize where they land and can permanently injure the pilot's eyes, cutting their flying career short. After hitting the retina, it can kill some of the photoreceptors in the eye.
And even worse, if it goes a little bit more downstream of that, it can hit your optic nerve, which supplies all the blood to the eye and sends the signals to and from the eye. So you're talking about total vision loss or just slight vision loss.
This reminder comes after an 18-year-old man in Yuma was caught last month pointing a laser at a U.S. Customs and Border Protection helicopter and charged with a felony.
If it's intentionally and knowingly pointing the laser at an aircraft, it can be a felony. If it's reckless behavior, the consequences for that is a misdemeanor. On top of that, added additional charges can be placed on the person.
As far as how the laser is tracked down,
these aircraft systems are meant to find and locate threats. So if that is the threat at that time, we pretty much can do a pretty good job of being able to locate where that's at.
Before pointing your laser, please make sure there are no aircraft in the sky and use it responsibly. Reporting from MCAS Yuma, I'm Vanessa, 13 on your side.